Take a number, please.
What number did you get?
My number is 42.
The line is so long today.
I need to update my passbook.
Do you have your passbook with you?
I lost my passbook last week.
Bring your passbook next time.
Please fill out this deposit slip.
I don't have a pen for the slip.
I filled out the wrong slip.
Give the slip to the teller.
Please go to window 3.
Which teller window is open?
I waited at the wrong window.
The window just closed.
The security guard checked my bag.
Where is the security guard?
I asked the guard for directions.
The guard was very kind.
Please put on this cape.
Is the cape too tight?
I wore a cape at the hair salon.
Take off your cape now.
Can I borrow your comb?
Where is my comb?
I used a wide comb.
This comb is broken.
Please don't use too much hairspray.
Do you smell the hairspray?
She sprayed hairspray on my hair.
I hate the smell of hairspray.
Look in the mirror.
Is this mirror new?
I checked myself in the mirror.
The mirror is so big.
Use this hair clip.
Where did you put the clip?
I clipped my hair up.
This clip is really cute.
I need to use the washing machine.
Is the washing machine free?
I washed my clothes in the washing machine.
The washing machine is so loud.
There's a stain on my shirt.
Can you remove this stain?
I couldn't get the stain out.
What a big stain!
Do you have any detergent?
How much detergent do I need?
I used too much detergent.
This detergent smells nice.
Put your shirt on a hanger.
Do you have extra hangers?
I hung my coat on a hanger.
I need more hangers.
Put the clothes in the basket.
Is the laundry basket full?
I carried the basket downstairs.
This basket is so heavy.
Please erase the board.
Where is the eraser?
I cleaned the erasers outside.
The eraser is covered in chalk.
Wear your name tag, please.
Did you lose your name tag?
I made a new name tag.
Your name tag fell off.
Open your notebook, please.
Did you bring your notebook?
I wrote it in my notebook.
I forgot my notebook today.
Is that your pencil case?
My pencil case is empty.
I put my pens in the case.
I like your pencil case.
Hang your bag on the hook.
Is there a hook for my bag?
I hung my bag on the hook.
The hook is broken.
Where is the remote control?
Can you pass the remote?
I lost the remote again.
The remote isn't working.
Plug it into the power strip.
Is there space on the power strip?
I bought a new power strip.
The power strip is full.
Set the alarm clock.
Did your alarm clock go off?
My alarm clock didn't ring.
I hate my alarm clock.
Close the curtains, please.
Are the curtains open?
I opened the curtains this morning.
These curtains are beautiful.
Put your phone on the nightstand.
What's on your nightstand?
I keep a book on my nightstand.
My nightstand is so messy.
Please weigh this on the scale.
Is the scale accurate?
I put the fruit on the scale.
The scale says 2 kilos.
Look at that stall.
Whose stall is this?
I bought fish from that stall.
The stall was full of vegetables.
Check the price sign.
Where's the price sign?
I read the wrong price sign.
The price sign is hard to read.
Can I get a plastic bag?
Do you need a bag?
I forgot my plastic bag.
This bag is ripped.
Here's your change.
Did you get your change?
I forgot to take my change.
Keep the change.
Light the incense, please.
Do you smell the incense?
I burned incense at the temple.
The incense smells so calming.
Put some money in the offering box.
Where's the offering box?
I placed a coin in the box.
The offering box is near the door.
Light a candle for prayer.
Is the candle still burning?
I lit a candle at the altar.
The candle went out.
Ring the bell once.
Did you hear the bell?
I rang the temple bell.
The bell sounds so peaceful.
Put your shoes on the rack.
Where's the shoe rack?
I left my shoes on the rack.
The shoe rack is full.
Turn off the faucet.
Is the faucet leaking?
I turned on the faucet.
The faucet is broken.
The drain is clogged.
Can you clean the drain?
I cleaned the drain yesterday.
Water isn't going down the drain.
Put the toilet paper on the holder.
Is the holder empty?
I fixed the toilet paper holder.
The holder fell off the wall.
Step onto the bath mat.
Is the mat wet?
I washed the bath mat.
The bath mat is so soft.
The shower head is leaking.
Can you fix the shower head?
I replaced the shower head.
The new shower head works great.
Make me boy on the swing.
Do you want to go on the swing?
I played on the swing all day.
This swing is so much fun.
Let's ride the seesaw.
Is the seesaw broken?
I rode the seesaw with my friend.
I love the seesaw.
Let's sit on this bench.
Is this bench free?
I sat on the bench alone.
The bench is wet.
Get some water from the water fountain.
Where's the water fountain?
I drank from the water fountain.
The water fountain isn't working.
Be careful on the monkey bars.
Can you climb the monkey bars?
I fell off the monkey bars.
The monkey bars are so high.
Use the cutting board.
Where's the cutting board?
I cut the vegetables on the board.
Wash the cutting board, please.
Pass me the ladle.
Where's the soup ladle?
I use the ladle to serve soup.
The ladle is dirty.
Use the tongs, please.
Where are the tongs?
I grabbed the meat with tongs.
These tongs are so useful.
Put the dishes on the rack.
Is the dish rack full?
I dried the dishes on the rack.
The dish rack is too small.
Throw it in the trash can.
Is the trash can full?
I emptied the trash can.
The trash can smells bad.